and temperature showing 22 degrees. Just starting up. So oh god, it's drizzling. What nonsense. Like, really? Let's see how the weather goes on. So we have just crossed Virat Toll, and we are heading today to Parsi Dairy Farm, which is on NH8, a little ahead of Ahura. So today is just me and Jacqueline going on a ride. So nothing much to show you here, but the weather is definitely foggy and I'm expecting a little fog ahead. So we are on our way, almost reaching Ahura, but it's quite foggy now. So we have reached Ahura, but we aren't going there. Let's see how much crowd. Oh my god. It's like packed. It's packed. Yeah, I think so. They have the buffet system. So this is the Maharashtra checkpost. And this is the place. Arey, why cars have to come here? For dumb asses, man. That's Parsi Dairy Farm. Now we need to be on a lookout for a U-turn. Finally. Now you get down. Finally reached. What is all this white? I don't know. It's like it's a spray of like cement. I don't know what. The whole bike is covered with that. So this is Parsi Dairy Farm. If you see, oops. Can't walk with this shoe. The entire area you have goats, and here you have rabbits. Hi. There you have ducks, swans, Then we have one. The turkey? A different type of ducks. Hey, small sheep. So cute. So cute. Oh my god. So cute. See the noise they're making. Come here, come here, come here. We're just entering. It's like an actual farm. How's the place?
I just entered this place and asked me how it is.
Cause we be on a top floor. Oh, we feeling so high. Don't be afraid of falling, falling. Cause you know we gon' fly. Cause we be on a top floor. Oh, we feeling so high. Don't be afraid of falling, falling. Cause you know we gon' fly. Cause we be on a top floor. Cause we be on a top floor. Oh, we feeling so high. Don't be afraid of falling, falling. Cause you know we gon' fly. Cause we be on a top floor. Cause we be on a top floor. Don't be afraid of falling.
This is the lineup, which is my bike. Yeah. Not that, that's the S1000. Check out this neat one, no? See this one. BMW. This one, na? 1400. Yeah. So we are leaving now from Parsi Dairy Farm and destination home, Mumbai. So hey guys, so we came back from Parsi Dairy Farm. So the reason why I have not ended the vlog properly is because of a real bad tragedy that happened. No, don't worry, everything is okay. But tragedy इसके साथ हुआ. So Sunday ride पड़ा महंगा. Now what exactly happened is basically after coming from the ride, I switched off the GoPro and kept it. So on Tuesday I wanted to kind of upload the vlog. I started charging it. It was not charging. I changed the charger. फिर भी नहीं हो रहा है कुछ. Then I checked the battery. So basically Karan, the silent biker, he helped me a lot. He put his battery in, so his battery was charged at 100%. The GoPro just drained off the entire battery from 100 to 3% in I think so less than 10 seconds. So I checked with his other second battery, that also got completely drained off. So what the GoPro has actually done is, this GoPro is done, it's gone. So this is the Hero 8 Black. I checked with Kashish Photo Studio. He said the motherboard is shorted, so that is why it is draining off the battery. Now, what about the footage that was taken in? The footage was properly recorded because I put the memory card in my old GoPro, which is the Session. Okay, this is a Session 4, which was bought in 2015. I put the footage here, the memory card here, and I uploaded the footage onto my phone. But this is completely gone. So what I've done is I have actually sold my media mod, because the media mod, whoever wanted the media mod, I got it. I sold it immediately. This GoPro is done. So sad. So it'll take me some time. I have to check now what to do about it. So the repair cost is coming to something around 10,000 to 12,000, which doesn't make sense because it's the motherboard. So basically, like, a phone motherboard goes off, it's basically redundant. So it's high time, I think so, I changed this, but I don't know what I'm going to get. I'll see. अभी बड़ा फटका तो लगा है भाई, अभी क्या कर सकते हैं. This is gone. It's completely bricked. And this was actually a gift from my wife, so I'm feeling a little bad, but there's nothing that much I can do. Basically what has happened is, I believe the main reason, because the day I went to Parsi Dairy Farm, there was a dust storm already and it rained. So what has happened is that rain had a lot of chemicals, I think so, in it, because my bike was completely white. My jacket, pants, shoes, everything was white, like as if somebody just threw some cement dust on it. So I believe that was the main culprit. So but can't say, shit happens. So yeah, but I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I made sure I recover all the footage and it's done. And so go ahead, like, share and subscribe, guys, because I see a lot of you guys who are watching the video are not subscribed. So do hit the subscribe button and please share the video, like the video, and do comment in case you liked anything or didn't like anything. So cheers, and let's see when we get back to motovlogging. As of now, I'm going to take a chill pill with this gone. Basically I can use this, but I'm not going to use it because the quality is not that great compared to the quality that you have here. So thumbs up to you guys, and thank you so much for watching, and hope you like this vlog. Thank you. Bye.